Hello everyone, my name is Alex. I'm a third year Bachelor of Commerce student and I was in the discovery stage of my career readiness during my first year of university. I had a vague idea in terms of what industry I would end up. However, this program allowed me to discover new career pathways, most importantly, learning what it takes to enter into the industry of my choice. Prior to contacting my mentors, I usually prepare around 5 underlying questions that really reflects my intended purpose. I also save 1 to 2 questions that really fosters a mentor to mentee relationship. After meeting my mentor, I feel to have a better understanding of the financial sector, and I was actually lucky enough to gain a long-term supportive mentor where we would catch up on a monthly to bi-monthly basis. I've now transitioned from the discovery stage to more of a focus stage, and that's because my mentor really helped me understand myself and how my skills and attributes can contribute to my future career pathway. I would strongly recommend anyone who have any questions about the careers to seek out an Ask Alumni mentor and ask for a chat. They would always welcome you with open arms, and I'm very thankful to be part of such a wonderful program. Thank you.